The city of Galveston is situated on Galveston Island, which is a barrier island off the Texas Gulf Coast.
Hey, what's up, Meeko TV? I'm Stephanie Azua, and today we're in Galveston, Texas, on the Strand.
Right in downtown Galveston lays the Strand, a National Historic Landmark district of mainly Victorian-era buildings that now house restaurants, antique stores, historical exhibits, museums, art galleries, and nightclubs. The area is a major tourist attraction for the island city and also plays host to Mardi Gras and Dickens on the Strand. The Strand's very earliest buildings were typically wooden and vulnerable to fires and storms that hit the island frequently throughout the 19th century. Eventually, those structures were replaced with iron-fronted brick buildings. Throughout the 19th century, the port city of Galveston boomed, and the Strand, which is very close to the harbor, grew into the region's main business center. For a time, it was known as the Wall Street of the South. So, make sure next time you're visiting Galveston, Texas, remember this: no trip to Galveston Island is complete without visiting the Strand.